How to fix Redmi Note 8 stock on Fastboot screen. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, restart the phone. Hold the power button until the phone restarts, usually 10 to 15 seconds. The phone should exit fastboot mode and boot into the system. Second step, you need to use the power and volume buttons. Press and hold the volume power button and the volume down button together for about 10 to 15 seconds. This should force the phone to restart and exit the fast boot mode. If that doesn't work, you can boot to recovery mode. Hold the power button and the volume up button together until you see the MI logo. You can use the volume buttons to navigate to reboot and press the power button to select. After that, select reboot to system. And finally, if the above method fails, you can visit a service center or consult a professional technicians for repair. So in this way, you can easily fix Redmi Note 8 stock on fastboot screen. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.